Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify identity on Kraken. Verifying your identity on Kraken is simple, three-process designed to keep your account secure and compliant. After logging into your Kraken dashboard, click the Verify Identity button to begin and enter your basic personal details. You will then complete a financial questionnaire by selecting your intended use of platform, source of income, and expected trading activity. Once that's finished, proceed to the identity check by choosing your issuing country and uploading a valid government issued ID, followed by a live selfie taken with your device's camera. After submission, you can monitor your verification progress by clicking your profile avatar, opening settings, and heading to the verification tab, where you see the status of your documents and confirmation results. If approved, your account is ready for trading, and if additional action is needed, Kraken will clearly indicate what needs to be corrected. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.